Okay, so next I want to show you how to restrict domain and ranges. That'll be key to creating pictures. So if you want to delete a graph, you just hit the X here, delete all of your graph equations. So say I want to create just a simple box. So I know that a horizontal line is y equal to something. So let's just put it at, say, -2. Let's put this one at y equals +2. Why don't we just do x equals -2 and x equals +2. So I'm just have created a box here. However, as you can see, we know that the domain and range of lines go on forever, so we need to restrict it so that it just stops at each of these corners. So in order to do that, we'll do the line at y equals -2 first. You use curly brackets in Desmos. So okay, so I have a curly bracket, and what we're restricting here are my x values. So I need to get rid of all of these x values. I need to get rid of all of these x values. So I need my x's to be in between. I need them to be in between. I want it to stop here and here. So that's -2 and +2. And you can see, and I'll close off that curly bracket, and that restricts my domain there. So how about restricting the range on this one here? So that was at y equals, or x equals -2. That's right here. So again, curly brackets, and I'm going to restrict my y. So, and if you want to do greater than or equal to, you hit the greater than symbol, and then you hit the equals, and it changes it for you. So I'm going to do that again over here. Equals, sorry, I keep hitting plus, equals, and that again, we're going to restrict y's from -2 to +2, close off that curly bracket. And that's how you can restrict domain and range. We can do that with any function. So even if I was graphing a parabola, y equals x squared, I can still restrict, if I want to do both, restrict both my y's and my x's, I can do that. So I'm going to restrict y's between, well, let's do 0 and let's make this below 4. Okay, so there's that. And then if I want to do my x's as well, say I just want the right hand side of the graph, we will put x's being greater than 0. And there we go. Now I just have this little piece of the parabola. So that is how you restrict domain and range.